Hello everybody and welcome to the next Mass Talk Monday. Sorry, my face is a little red right now because I was picking at it. Not exactly picking at it, but my skin's been peeling from a new product I've been trying. I have a little bit of redness. Don't worry about it, I'm okay, I'm all good. So I've come back from a long day at Fort Christmas. So I came back home and I have my Aztec Indian healing clay, which I'm really excited to use because I've been wanting to buy it because everybody raves about it so much. And I saw it on Amazon and I was like, you know what? I bought it. It's actually really big. $9.99 and you get this big old 2-pound container of clay. I mean, like, yo, it's good. Like, the seal's still on it. I haven't even opened it yet. So what I'm going to mix it with is good old faithful Bragg's apple cider vinegar. ACV. Let me read you the instructions that it gives. It says, oh, that's not English. It says, best to use a non-metal bowl and utensil. I'm going to use this blue Solo cup and a plastic fork because why not? It says just add equal parts of this and the apple cider vinegar or water, but I prefer apple cider vinegar. And it says to let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin, or 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. So it says you'll feel a pulling and tightening sensation. I'm not gonna need like that much of the mask to do my face, so I'm gonna use this to apply the mask with. So let's start with the clay first. Oh, it doesn't exactly smell like anything, so I'm scared. I'm gonna take my 4th cup. There's powder flying everywhere. Honestly, I'm so glad I started doing these videos, these Mass Talk Mondays things. Even if y'all don't want to comment and feature it in my vid, that's okay. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm having fun and I guess that's all that matters. So we have 4th cup. There's powder everywhere, so here it is. Go ahead. Ooh. I'm gonna make sure my ACV is nice and shaken up. Pour a 4th cup of that. It's supposed to fizz up, I think, when it goes in, so I'll try to get a good shot. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Yes, wait, what is this doing here? Get out. It's like soda. Ah, I love it. Alright, gonna start mixing it up. See, I always make stuff with forks because forks are just like the bomb. This is a lot more than I thought it would be, so I'm gonna have like a lot extra. I want to know if you can like store it and use it again next week because I think I made a little too much. Look, it's getting really thick. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my spatula and we're gonna start putting this on my face. I'm not gonna pull my hair back. I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ears and hope for the best. I'm gonna start with this side first. So. Did you hear that? Oh, ASMR. Hello. For today's video, we're going to be applying a Indian clay healing mask. Listen. Let me stop. This is weird. What I hate about this little spatula, it don't apply evenly. Maybe it's not even made for face masks. Because we had a spatula that came with our bubbling clay mask and I lost it. Tell me that was not satisfying. My face is starting to get tight already. I love this. I love face masks, man. Oh, I should probably do my mustache. I don't know why. I always leave my mustache for last. So we're gonna I always leave my nose and my mustache for last. So that's what we're gonna do here. And this mask feels so good. Man, my mascara looking good today. I like love it more than my high-end mascaras. Because it's so good. And it's like, it's not waterproof. It doesn't say it's waterproof, but like, I've cried many times wearing this mascara because I'm a sensitive person, you know. It's lasted all through my tears, through all my heavy, ugly crying. I love it so much because it's not clumpy. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want to maybe like feature it in a video. I honestly love my nose so much. I think my nose is so cute. Look at it. Look at it. Wow, this video is so far 16 minutes long. I need to hurry up. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 20 minutes.
Roger that. T-minus 20 minutes and counting.
Yes. I feel like the majority of this video is just going to be me applying the mask. But you know what? This video needs to get to 10 minutes because otherwise, you know, apocalypse. We need this video to be 10 minutes and I need money. So what I hate about clay masks is that they take forever to wash off. I love them and all, but honey, you can't be taking a whole 15 minutes scrubbing at my face. I might need it because I need to scrub my face really bad. This new like product I've been trying for my acne scars works great, trust me, but my skin's been peeling. Every night when I get home after a long day of doing nothing, it peels a lot. I'm struggling. I know I'm like switching topics, but I'm struggling. I bought this matte top coat at Five Below, right? And I'm like, oh my gosh, a cheap matte top coat, yes. And on my thumb, it always works. It always works on my thumb. This thumb right here, but the rest of my nails, like, as it progresses, it just stops working. Look at that. Like, what are you doing? I'll put 2 coats on and it still looks exactly the same. Like, honey, what are you doing? Who told you you can do that? Because I didn't. I used to think that bentonite clay was actually bentonite clay. Yeah, I thought there was a Z in it. Where was I at? I was at the GMC and I thought they had it, but really the vitamin shop has it, but we don't have a vitamin shop like close to us. I was like, you got bentonite clay? And he was like, what? No, we don't got bentonite clay. I was disappointed. I still looked for it anyway, but like, he probably didn't even know what I was talking about because I pronounced it wrong. Like a weirdo. The weirdo that I am. What are you doing watching my videos and not even clicking the subscribe button? Because you're here. I know you watch my videos. I know you're here. Just subscribe. Do me a solid and subscribe. When that end screen pops up with my subscribe button on it, you better click it. Currently I have 870 followers. Where are you at? All of you. Because my last video has been up for 4 days with 20 views. Where are you guys at? I get most of my views from outside people, like subs. What are you doing? I'm supposed to be dependent on you. I do these for you and you don't even watch my videos. Excuse me, but who? My face is getting really tight. I'm bored. I'm really bored. The mask isn't completely dry, and I was seeing in one other video that somebody did as like a research thing. Hers didn't dry all the way either. Hers probably isn't as cracked as mine is because I talk a lot. I didn't feel, my face feels tight of course because it's a clay mask, but I don't feel any tingling. So I'm gonna take the mask off, and they say on the bottle that like if your face is red, that's normal, don't worry. So if I have a red face, don't be like, oh my god, is she dying? Oh my god, I won't buy this mask. It's a bad mask. No, it's okay. It's just, that's what happens. It's normal. Don't worry about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and I'll be right back. Oh my goodness. Wait. What the heck? Wait, can we get a comparison picture? I'm gonna go on this side. You can put the picture on the other side. Does my skin look whiter or something? Yes or no? Alright, now that I think the camera is now adjusting to my skin tone. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe. I don't know what's happening. So, my skin is so smooth. One thing I was saying earlier was that I hate clay masks because they're hard to wash off. This clay mask washed off so easily. It just went shoop, shoop, and it was amazing. But I definitely would put a little more apple cider vinegar. It was just a little too thick for me. A bunch of chunks were coming off my face and I was like, ew. But I also know that other people who make this mask make it a little thinner. I don't have any face products in my face, so my face might be a little white looking, a little ghostly. So I really like it mask. My skin wasn't as red as I thought it was gonna be. I saw somebody, her face was so red and I was like, ew. Skin feels great. I will definitely love to see how it looks tomorrow. because I know people like always say that the mask is like amazing, but okay, what? Wait a second. Oh my goodness, wait, wait, where are my pores? Wait a second. I have super large pores right here. I mean, you can kind of still see them, but oh, that's cool. Am I just tripping, or is this like real results? The mask got all up in my edges. I couldn't wash it out. So I'm gonna take a cotton pad with a little bit of, oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, so I have these cotton pads I got from Target. They have like an exfoliating side and a regular cotton side. So I'm gonna use the exfoliating side with a bit of witch hazel and try to get the rest of this off my face. And let me just do one wipe all over my face so that this mask, it picks up whatever is left of the mask. Because again, I can't wash my face correctly in this stupid sink that we have. Anyway, back to what I was doing, observing my skin. I can kind of notice that immediately a lot of what so what I'm noticing is my skin, the texture of it is like very smooth and noticeably looks a lot smoother, which is really cool. So that's like amazing because I have really bad texture right here, which you can still kind of see, but it's lessened, so it's really good. You can see this is where my skin is peeling, where all my scars are, my skin is peeling. These weren't as red before, or I don't think they were, but sorry, my eyebrows are checked up. Yeah, whoa, they're like really red. Okay. I feel the mask. It's there. It is present. I really like it so far. I also don't want to be biased because I know that a lot of people love it as well and rave about it, so until I give it a fair chance, I really won't see like real results until tomorrow. So, but so far with what I've noticed definitely about my skin texture and that stuff, I would give this mask a 7.5 out of 10, of course. I like it a lot. And I want to give it an 8, but at the same time, I want to wait tomorrow and see how my skin looks tomorrow morning. If my skin looks great, I'll edit it and make it an 8. It's that simple. So, face is getting a little dry, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my skin products before it starts overproducing oil like it always does. And yeah, so I will, thanks again for watching Mask Talk Monday. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to stay crafty, and also, do not forget to click the subscribe button below. I'd highly appreciate it. Bye!